Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and in this video, I'm going to be doing a full restoration on these Fire Red 5s, so you're not going to want to miss it. Check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty Restoring Kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
As you can see, guys, I got some pretty beat up Fire Red 5s right here that I'm going to be doing a full shoe restoration on. Just to give you guys the rundown quick, definitely got some yellow bottoms, we got some yellow netting, we got some scuff marks in here, we have paint chipping, we have a bunch of that on both shoes, okay? So with all that being said, we got to get right to it. First thing I am going to do, which I recommend you guys doing, is when you are restoring shoes, if you have to ice the shoes and stuff like that, I recommend doing that first. Even the netting, doing that first, only because of the heat and everything. If you put paint on, there could be a chance that, you know, too much heat will actually make it come off, or something like that, and it could damage the shoe. So I recommend icing everything first, get that out of the way, and then start working on the rest of the shoe. So that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to ice these up, and then I'm going to go to the next step, which is painting, decreasing, and taking some of these scuffs out. So here we go. Bottoms are iced up. Now it's time to fix this little portion up in here. Got some scuffs on it. We're gonna use some rubbing alcohol. We're gonna use a Q-tip, and we're going to get rid of this. So here we go. Time to get these creases out. I just put in the socks, that way it pushes it up. And now I just gotta go over this with my steamer and get these creases out. Alright guys, now it's time to paint these up. Now I'm just gonna be touching it up. I'm probably not gonna take all this paint off because majority of it is good. This is the only bad part. I'll probably take this part off. But like in here, these little spots, I'm probably just gonna touch it up. I don't have fire red paint, so I am just gonna be using red and a couple drops of white. I did a little bit up front. What side did I do it on? I did up here. Up in here, I mean, there's not much of a difference in color, so it's not too bad. After I do the red, I'm gonna do the black, and then see where we're at. I did do the other shoe. This is what it looks like. 10 times better. So that's this side of the shoe. Now I gotta do the other one. So here we go. Alright guys, so there you have it. We just restored these Fire Red 5s, 2006 by the way. Check these out guys. Did a little repaint on the midsoles. Came out really nice. Even without having the real Fire Red color. Still looks really clean. Iced the bottoms up. Definitely killed it on that. Definitely could have kept going. But I was trying to get this done quick, this whole project. So just iced it to where, you know, I could definitely see some of that clearing up and a little bit of the blue on the outside of it. But yeah, so those came out good. This right here on our little scuffs we had, gone completely. Creases for the most part are out. Again, you're always going to see a little bit even after you decrease it. But for the most part, it looks a lot better. So that's a positive. And yeah, both shoes they look great. They really do. We brought these back to life, guys. Fun little project. Took me, I mean, with the paint and all that, that took me probably only like an hour maybe. And then icing the shoe, that obviously takes the longest. That took me 2 days to do. I think I did 3 to 4 sessions in 2 days. So yeah, and again, getting the creases out doesn't take long, and getting these scuffs out doesn't take long either. But just so you guys have it here, there it is, okay? We have restored these Fire Red 5s. I got these for $50, guys, because obviously you judged the condition before. They definitely were pretty beat up, but I think we did a good job bringing them back, and they're definitely going to be selling for some more now. Hopefully I can get like $100 for them now, but they were really clean. With that being said, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please put it in the comments down below. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. And lastly, if you enjoy this channel and you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So Scotty Restores Kicks. You want to be icy? Well, it starts in soul. And do you want to restore some shoes? Watch some more videos. I'll see you next time.